Hey guys, welcome to Survival Fun, and this is part 2 of the fishing thing.
Caught another fish, guys.
But this is episode 36 or something. I don't know.
36.
Oh, all the raw fish.
How many fish am I gonna get? We have so much food on us.
Yeah, we can use those fishes for food.
Yeah, every single one of them except for the pufferfish. They poison you. Right, man? Why do pufferfish poison you?
Because they're pufferfish.
Oh, in real life they poison you too.
They're poisonous. Whenever they poke you, it's poisonous.
Another fish? Okay, so man, I'm gonna go cook. We'll wait. Once I cook one more fish.
Hey man, go back to the fishing chest.
Once I get one more fish, I'm gonna go cook.
I'm gonna go to the fishing chest and get all the loot out of there. We're gonna put a. Actually, I'm gonna get a fishing chest and put it over at the.
Man, wait. Oh,
What?
okay. So you're gonna put it over there?
Wait, was the bow used in the for the?
What bow?
There was a bow inside the. Oh yeah, didn't you catch one?
Was it enchanted?
No.
That's not mine.
Yeah, that one was probably fished.
That was yours. Mine was.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm trying to get out.
Man, move.
Ow!
Move.
I'm trying to get in.
So was I, man. You're in my way. Oh.
It's like this is Minecraft story mode. Okay, I'm gonna craft, and then you just place them all together in the places.
Why do you do that though in Minecraft Story mode? They should make it like really easy. Like if you don't remember the crafting recipes.
You can go to the recipe book thing.
Yeah, but like if you were trying to create the
Okay, I'm gonna put one on the outside. Okay.
God, man.
I'm gonna put it right here where you just fished.
I'm cooking raw salmon.
Not again. Not again. No, it's making me. Phew.
Let me go eat my hot chicks. Hot fishies or hot chicks. Wow, man. I've got so many fish. I've even got clownfish and pufferfish. It's so weird.
Guess what's happening again?
Need control. I'm getting control again, aren't I?
Yeah, I'm waiting until it wears off.
Shouldn't we make this our new home, man?
This? No, this is the sapling shop. And our fishing
Why is there
area.
a bed?
A bed?
Yeah.
I just put a bed there.
You're so stupid.
Hey, the bed's for conveniency. Come on!
9 more fish to cook. 8.
No, now it's making me crouch.
In the water?
No, I'm outside. I'm inside.
Oh, you're inside. Well, at least you're inside.
The game's controlling me everywhere.
I don't know what to do.
In all the areas, it's making me getting controlled.
What, you want me to hit you again?
Yeah, hit me, definitely.
Now try on crouch.
It won't let me. Stop it.
Better?
No. Phew. Here, man.
I'm cooking, man.
No, I'm giving you the stuff
Oh, the stuff, okay.
from the fishing chest.
Okay.
And you can put all that in the fishing chest. You can put all the stuff that you got in the fishing chest.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, and the bow. Because we fished a bow. How much?
I have a bow with me.
Oh man, if your leather boots ever break, I got spares.
Oh, you gave me leather leggings. Thanks, man.
No, I gave you. Oh.
Yeah.
That was from the fishing. Oh man, if we do get a cauldron, then you can
Shut up.
What?
Nothing, man. I can't believe how many fish we got.
Yeah.
That is so gnarly.
I'm just gonna look at outside until Higgly Salmon comes. Okay, you can fish some more.
Let me just...
That's the fishing chest, okay?
I know. I'm putting the fishing stuff in there.
I'm just gonna stare at you.
If I turn around in 3, 2, 1, I'll be freaked out. Oh my god!
What, did you notice that I was staring at you? Please don't hit me. You're just going through me. Hello. Oh, he's kissing me. Get away from me, you freak. Ew. Ew. I'm just gonna look behind myself. He's kissing me in the hair.
No, I'm not. You see what I'm doing? I'm crouching and then I'm going back up.
What are you doing? Holy no! No, I know what you're doing.
Guys, you'll probably don't want to know what we were talking about. He was kissing me, guys. Guys, he was kissing me. I wasn't doing it.
Oh my gosh.
He was, guys. Don't listen to him.
No, you was kissing me.
I was not.
You was trying to.
Shut up!
You was trying to.
He didn't say anything.
The fishies. The fishies. The
That
fishies.
Pringles.
The fishies. I got the magic stick. Magic stick. It's a wand. I turned this white wool into gray wool. No, I actually didn't. Can you tell the difference between a wooden pickaxe and a stick?
Yeah. It's a pickaxe. It's not a stick. Oh, okay. Mom's pig.
No, the stick is connecting to the pickaxe.
Yeah, your mom's
Guess what?
What?
My mom's not a pig.
Your mom's a pig.
Shut up.
Oh, I got a bone. Your grandmother's a pig.
Sh-
I'm just kidding.
Shut up is what I was trying to say.
Your mom, she loved me.
That's what I think of you. Look behind yourself. That's what I think you are. You're a... Sorry guys for that impropriety. That's just really weird how I did that. I didn't know you could actually correct.
How about I put this thing in your face?
No.
Stupid.
Okay.
That's what I think of you.
It doesn't look like one. There's a broken piece right there. And I get the no.
Put this in your face, mother flipper.
No.
Man, I give up.
Okay. I'm going into the...
House.
Hey! You said you gave up.
I lied. Runs in the family.
No, man. Now it's doing that trick.
What trick?
See? Getting pushed against the wall.
Ding dong ditch.
And you're a son of a... But man, seriously.
Here's what I think you are.
What was that? Huh? Huh? Yeah, I didn't think so. Stay away from me. Stay away from me.
Guess what you have? You have 2 of these. 2 balls.
Stop doing this inappropriate stuff, man.
You're doing it first, motherfucker.
Yeah, but now you're trying to do it. You'll never catch me inside this little hole. You'll never. No! Uh-oh. No! I can't get out! I can't get out! I can't get out! I can't get out! Okay, stop hitting me. Phew. I was like, I can't get out. I can't get out. Okay. Oh, I got you so much. I'd rather jump off the world for you.
Trust me, you love me so much.
No.
I do anything for you. I do anything for you to love me. Because I love you.
Stay away from me, you freak. He'll never catch me.
I wouldn't count.
Oh God! Oh God! Stay away from me, you freak! Oh no! But you ruined the place, man.
Oh, you did?
No, you literally ruined the place. Look. The door. No. So guys, that will be the end of this video. Bye.